Hi friends, welcome to my channel, and in today's video, let us discuss about the difference between a wholesaler and a distributor. So before beginning the video, I request you to please subscribe to my channel so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. So here in this video, we will define the term wholesaler and a distributor, and then we will understand the key difference between a wholesaler and a distributor. So first, let us understand the term wholesaler. So a wholesaler is a trader who buys the goods in bulk quantities and then he sells them in a relatively smaller units. The customers for the wholesalers are mainly small retail outlets and kirana shops. Also, the serving area for wholesalers is limited in comparison with the distributor. Whereas a distributor is someone who is engaged in supplying goods and services to various businesses and customers. So the distributor will sell the goods and services to the entire market, but for a wholesaler, the area is very specific where he is going to sell the merchandise. The distributor is an agent who distributes the products and services to various parties in the supply chain network. We have to understand that it is impossible for a manufacturer to reach customers directly for selling of the products. So because of this, they have to depend on the distributors who will further sell it in different locations. So friends, this was the definition of wholesaler and a distributor. So now let us understand the difference between these two terms. So the first key difference is with respect to the contract. That is, the distributor will enter into the contract with the manufacturer to trade in for the product lines. But whereas a wholesaler will not enter into any contract with the manufacturers. That is, a wholesaler can sell products provided by various manufacturers and distributors. For example, if an electronic distributor has taken distribution rights of Samsung products, then he can sell only Samsung products in the market. But whereas a wholesaler can sell products of various brands. That is, a wholesaler is not restricted to one particular brand or one particular company. So the next key difference is with respect to the customers. That is, the wholesaler will have only retailers as their customers. And on the contrary, distributor provides goods to many parties in the supply chain. Like he will supply goods to wholesalers, retailers, and even to the direct consumers. So we can say that a distributor has a large base of customers when compared to the wholesalers. So friends, the next difference is with respect to the area of operation. That is, the distributor will be having larger area of operation when compared to the wholesaler. To explain this further, the distributor can cover larger area while selling the goods and services. But whereas the wholesaler is confined to a specific area. So we can say that a distributor will cover larger areas than wholesalers. So the fourth key difference is with respect to the advertising and marketing. That is, the wholesaler will not involve in marketing or in advertising and they do not do any promotional activities. But whereas the distributor will promote the product to increase his sales and he will also conduct promotional activities about his distribution. So friends, these were some of the major differences between a wholesaler and a distributor. That's it in today's video guys. So if you like this video, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such more updates in the future. So please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. The link is given in the description. And also I have created a group in WhatsApp and in Telegram. So if you are interested to join the group to discuss about the retail trends, then you are welcome to join the group. Link is given in the description.